Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be rebuilding my Rb25 pump with spool billet racing gears. Show you here what we got. Here's the spool gears. Here's the Neo pump gears. Pump all cleaned up, back plate, new seal, gasket. I got some screws. The stock screws are still good, but there's a screwdriver and I got some Allen keys. Be able to tighten them up a little bit better hopefully. Show you guys here a little bit of the pump. You can tell just by looking at the pump, it's a lot better material. Should help it a little bit and hopefully not break, but still not 100% solving the problem. The spool gear is actually a little bit larger than the stock one. I can go with the 13 thou feeler gauge. The stock one I can fit in 11. I don't know, I'm hoping the material is going to help it hold up better. So we'll still try it out. Show you guys here a little bit of what I'm talking about. This is the actual problem with the RB. The extended collar is just a band-aid really. I should have just went with the JZ gear style pump, but I'll just save that for when I actually build the motor. As you can see here, there's still a lot of play in the pump. It's getting full engagement with the collar, but it doesn't change that, it still moves around. And that's the actual problem. Alright, I'm gonna start putting it together and I'll show you guys in a little bit here when it's done. Okay, got the seal installed, put the pump in it. I'm gonna use some engine assembly lube, just put it all over the pump and inside here. And hopefully that should help it hold the oil up a little quicker, and we'll try that and see how that goes. Got it all together, put all the screws in with some Loctite. About to tighten it up, should be good. All right, here it is all finished. Got it all torqued down with the new screws, some Loctite. It's ready to be installed.